You want to create an assignment for your students on Google Classroom? I will show you step by step how you can do that. In your classroom, you will need to go to Classwork. At the top, you will find this button here. It says Create and has that little plus sign. Click on there. Now, it will give you plenty of options for different things you can create. To create an assignment, you choose the first option called Assignment and just click on that. Now, you can give your assignment a title. In my case, I just called it Homework. You can now also give your students some instructions. I will just put in here is your homework. And then you have the option to add things to your assignment. When you click here, you can choose to add material from your Google Drive, a link to a website, you can add a file from your computer, or you can add a YouTube video. In case you have not yet prepared material, you can also create something on the spot. For example, a presentation, a form, or even a quiz. I want to upload a worksheet I have already prepared on my computer. So I click here, I find the worksheet in the folder, I choose the file, and then click on Upload. Now it is added to the assignment. Here is a really neat feature. You now have 3 options. You can select if the students can view, edit, or if each student gets their own file. In case I share an article to read, I choose that students can view the file. And if I had a group work on a slideshow that works together, for example, I would choose the option that my students can all edit and therefore collaborate. In case of my worksheet, I choose the option of the student each getting their own. We're almost done. Here on the right-hand side, I have a few more things to select. I can select the classroom I want this assignment for. You might have more than one classroom, so you can select the one you want. You can also assign your assignment to more than one classroom. That is a great option if you teach, for example, different cohorts, but the assignment is for all of your students. Then you can choose if you want your assignment for all students or only for a specific group of students. In my case, I assign it to my demo classroom only and assign it to all students. You can select if you want to give your students points for completing the assignment or just choose ungraded. I will give my students 5 points to complete this assignment. You can also add a due date. I want mine to be due in a week from now. So I click here, get this little calendar, and can choose the day and also the specific time. And then Google Classroom asks me for which topic my assignment is. I have prepared a few weeks of material already, so this assignment is for week 1. I will select that, and I'm done. When you create an assignment, you can post it immediately, you can save it as a draft, or schedule your assignment to post at a later date. I want to assign mine now, so I choose that, and then I can see my assignment popping up in week 1. That was easy. I hope you enjoyed this demo. If you want to learn more about Google Classroom, you can subscribe to my channel or check out the other tutorials.